the FTC. As we've discussed, it's deceptive practices that are primarily a concern of the FTC, to the point that they create some type of anti-competitive market environment. So when determining whether a deceptive practice exists, the FTC will look at the practice and say, would a reasonable consumer in this situation be deceived by the practice? So say it's a marketing scenario, and there's a type of communication out to the public, and they say, okay, how would a reasonable consumer in this situation see this? They would look to see if there were any knowingly fraudulent or deceptive claims there, anything implied or expressed about the product. Were there any omissions about a certain characteristic of the product that, again, would lead that reasonable consumer to believe something incorrectly about the product? And then were any of those omissions or misstatements material in nature? Okay, that is, they relate to the heart of the product and would basically affect the decision of the consumer to make the purchase or no. Okay, so reasonable consumer, express or implied claims about the product, any omissions that could affect that reasonable consumer, and then were those claims or omissions material? And if these elements apply to nearly any type of commercial practice, then it could be regulated or deemed deceptive by the FTC.